Okay, red oak. Red oak is prevalent across the Midwestern United States right over to the East Coast. But it grows outside of that range as well as across the world. In the world of lumber, buying red oak does not mean you will actually be getting red oak. Pin oak, black oak, and some other in the oak species line, they all get lumped together. The actual trees are hard to tell apart in the wild unless you know what to look for. They'll have slight differences in leaf structure, etc. Red oak is a light to medium brown and it has a bit of a red undertone to it, but it tends to have a golden brown coloring upon finishing. It's a ring porous wood. The Janka is about $12.50 on it. The average dry weight is about 3.7 pounds a board foot, and the cost range is about $5 to $9 a board foot. On a little side note, red oak or white oak or bog oak, or the oaks for that matter, when they're quarter sawn, the medullary rays or ray fleck patterns are revealed. Okay, on to white oak. White oaks grow about the same as the red oaks through Central and Eastern America and is the premier oak species when it comes to lumber. Bolt building companies from around the world would come to the east coast of America to buy white oak poles to be used as ship mass. During hurricanes, while other trees are getting torn apart, you can watch the canopies on white oak trees bend over to touch the ground and just spring back up. Some use cases for white oak would be ship mass, hardwood flooring, cabinetry, furniture, trim work, tool handles. The list goes on and on. Excellent wood. The coloring is a light tan to a light brown and has a plethora of uses just like red oak. It's just a touch stronger and a little bit better elasticity to it. The Janka is about $13.50. The average dry weight's about 3.9 pounds a board foot. It's a ring porous wood and the cost range is about $6 to $12 a board foot. And on to bog oak. This piece is carbon dated at 3,525 years old. Bog oaks are oak trees salvaged out of peat bogs. The coloring is a dark brown into a black, and this occurs when the log falls under water in these bogs and then it's deprived of oxygen, so it stops the decay. The peat provides an acidic condition where the different minerals reacts with the tannins that are in the oak, and bam, that's where you get your discolored dark wood. This process can take anywhere from 300 years into the thousands. As far as the Janka goes, I can't find anything on the Janka for these woods, and I would imagine it would really vary depending on how long that they're under for. Same with the average dry weight. It seems to have a big variance. It is ring porous because it is oak, and the cost per board foot is anywhere from about $40 to $60 a board foot. Just on a side note, what I have noticed with bog oak is, even though there's no Janka ratings on it, it is harder than the regular oaks. At least the few pieces that I've had access to, it's harder. It's not petrified or you'd be cutting through something that was like stone, but it is harder. And on that note, this is Progressive Ideas signing out. Like and subscribe and check out some of the other arboretums we have. We have a whole series on exotics and woods from all over the world. Thanks for watching.